Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on voice control and set up it for a headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds3 Pro. You have to start by opening Galaxy application. Now make sure that your headphones connected to your device. Then scroll down, click on earbuds settings, voice controls. Now turn on it. Click on it again and choose English. Now we have a commands to use, so let's test them. Play music. Stop music. Next song. Volume up. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!